Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. Is the AWS Partner Device Catalog relevant for non-IoT devices? No, it is only for AWS Marketplace items. No, it is specifically for IoT devices. Yes, but only for AWS-branded devices. Yes, it includes all types of electronic devices. The AWS Partner Device Catalog is specifically for IoT devices that are compatible with AWS IoT services. What is one of the key criteria for a device to be listed in the AWS Partner Device Catalog? High market demand. Compatibility with AWS IoT services. Recent release date. Lowest price in its category. Compatibility with AWS IoT services is a key criterion for a device to be listed in the AWS Partner Device Catalog. In the context of the AWS Partner Device Catalog, what does edge device typically refer to? A device used only for network routing. A device exclusively used for user interface and visualization. A device that stores all data locally without cloud connectivity. A device that processes data near the source of data generation. In the AWS Partner Device Catalog, an edge device typically refers to hardware that can process data near the source of data generation, often with some level of computational capability, allowing for local data processing before sending aggregated or filtered data to the cloud. How can AWS customers benefit from the AWS Partner Device Catalog? By receiving extended warranties on devices. By purchasing devices at a discounted rate. By accessing free AWS credits. By finding reliable and tested devices for their IoT projects. AWS customers can benefit by finding reliable and tested devices for their IoT projects, ensuring compatibility and performance. What is the primary purpose of the AWS Partner Device Catalog? To compare prices of IoT devices. To help users find devices compatible with AWS IoT services. To list all devices sold by AWS partners. To showcase new AWS hardware products. The primary purpose of the AWS Partner Device Catalog is to help users find devices that are compatible with AWS IoT services. What type of partnership does a company need with AWS to have their devices listed in the AWS Partner Device Catalog? AWS Marketplace Seller. AWS Direct Connect Partner. Amazon Affiliate. AWS Partner Network Membership. A company needs to be a member of the AWS Partner Network to have their devices listed in the AWS Partner Device Catalog. What information is typically included in the AWS Partner Device Catalog? Pricing details for AWS services. Software version history. Device specifications, supported AWS services, and contact information. Customer reviews and ratings. The catalog provides device specifications, supported AWS services, and contact information for further inquiries. How does the AWS Partner Device Catalog address the challenge of IoT device interoperability? By providing a proprietary middleware that translates between different device protocols. By listing devices that have been tested to work with specific AWS services, ensuring compatibility. By requiring all listed devices to use a single, universal communication protocol. By limiting the catalog to devices from a single manufacturer. The AWS Partner Device Catalog addresses IoT device interoperability by listing devices that have been thoroughly tested and verified to work with specific AWS services. This ensures that devices in the catalog are compatible with AWS IoT services and can interoperate within the AWS ecosystem, reducing integration challenges. What role do AWS IoT Core and the AWS Partner Device Catalog play together? They offer pricing discounts on devices. They provide a comprehensive solution for IoT development and deployment. They are unrelated services. They are used for AWS account management. Together, AWS IoT Core and the AWS Partner Device Catalog provide a comprehensive solution for IoT development and deployment, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. Which of the following best describes the AWS Partner Device Catalog? A comprehensive database of all electronic devices available on the market. An online store where AWS sells IoT devices. A forum for IoT device manufacturers to advertise their products. A curated list of IoT and edge devices that work with AWS services. The AWS Partner Device Catalog is a curated list that showcases IoT and edge devices that have been tested and verified to work with various AWS services, simplifying the device selection process for customers. Where can you access the AWS Partner Device Catalog? Within the AWS Management Console's billing section. On the AWS website under the IoT section. On the Amazon shopping site. Through the AWS CLI. The AWS Partner Device Catalog can be accessed on the AWS website under the IoT section. Which of the following is a benefit of using the AWS Partner Device Catalog? Includes only open-source devices. Ensures compatibility with AWS IoT services. Guarantees 24/7 support for listed devices. Provides discounts on AWS services. Using the AWS Partner Device Catalog ensures that the devices are compatible with AWS IoT services, reducing integration issues. In terms of device firmware, what can users generally expect from devices listed in the AWS Partner Device Catalog? All listed devices run on the same standardized firmware provided by AWS. Devices often come with preloaded firmware that facilitates integration with AWS IoT services. Users are required to develop custom firmware for each listed device. Firmware for listed devices can only be updated through the AWS Management Console. Devices in the AWS Partner Device Catalog often come with preloaded firmware that is designed to facilitate easy integration with AWS IoT services. This pre-configured firmware can help streamline the setup process and reduce the time required to get devices connected to the AWS cloud. How can the AWS Partner Device Catalog benefit IoT solution architects? By offering direct technical support for all listed devices. By helping them choose pre-qualified hardware that integrates with AWS services. By allowing them to sell their own IoT devices through AWS. By providing them with free IoT devices for testing. The AWS Partner Device Catalog benefits IoT solution architects by simplifying the hardware selection process, offering a range of pre-qualified devices known to integrate well with AWS services, thus reducing integration risks and development time. What type of validation do devices undergo before being listed in the AWS Partner Device Catalog? Interoperability and performance testing with AWS IoT services. Market trend analysis. Security and encryption testing. Battery life and durability testing. Devices undergo interoperability and performance testing with AWS IoT services before being listed in the catalog. What should a company do if they want their device to be featured in the AWS Partner Device Catalog? Offer a partnership with AWS. Submit a marketing application. Provide a device sample to AWS offices. Undergo the AWS Device Qualification Program. A company needs to undergo the AWS Device Qualification Program to have their device featured in the catalog. How does the AWS Partner Device Catalog support innovation in IoT? By providing access to a wide range of validated and compatible devices. By providing a platform for device auctions. By funding IoT startups. By offering exclusive AWS services. The catalog supports innovation in IoT by providing access to a wide range of validated and compatible devices, facilitating new solution development. In terms of device management, what capability might you look for in a device listed in the AWS Partner Device Catalog? A requirement for on-site technician visits for all software updates. Support for over-the-air firmware updates integrated with AWS IoT services. The ability to physically replace components without shutting down the device. Manual firmware update processes that prevent unauthorized changes. When considering device management capabilities in the AWS Partner Device Catalog, support for over-the-air firmware updates integrated with AWS IoT services is a valuable feature. This allows for remote updating of device firmware, ensuring devices can receive security patches, bug fixes, and new features without physical intervention, which is especially important for large-scale or remote deployments. Can end users purchase devices directly from the AWS Partner Device Catalog? No, it only lists devices without purchase options. No, the catalog provides information and directs users to manufacturers. Yes, through the AWS Marketplace. Yes, it has a direct purchase option. The catalog provides information and directs users to manufacturers or distributors for purchasing devices. Can the AWS Partner Device Catalog help in selecting devices for smart home projects? No, it does not include smart home devices. Yes, but only for commercial use. Yes, it includes devices for various IoT applications including smart home projects. No, it only includes industrial IoT devices. The catalog includes devices for various IoT applications, including smart home projects. Which of the following describes a key goal of the AWS Partner Device Catalog? To streamline the selection process for IoT developers. To provide in-depth reviews of all IoT devices. To promote AWS-branded hardware. To offer the lowest prices on IoT devices. A key goal of the catalog is to streamline the selection process for IoT developers by listing validated and compatible devices. Which of the following is not a common category of devices found in the AWS Partner Device Catalog? Development kits. Home appliances. Gateways. Industrial sensors. While the AWS Partner Device Catalog includes various IoT and edge devices such as industrial sensors, development kits, and gateways, it does not typically list general home appliances unless they are specifically designed for IoT applications and AWS service integration. What type of information can you typically find about a device in the AWS Partner Device Catalog? Device specifications, supported AWS services, and qualification details. Step-by-step tutorials for device setup. Customer reviews and ratings of the device. Current market prices and discounts. The AWS Partner Device Catalog provides essential information about each listed device, including its specifications, the AWS services it supports, and details about its qualification, helping customers make informed decisions. What does the AWS Partner Device Catalog provide regarding the security of listed devices? Information on the security features and certifications of devices. Automatic security updates for all listed devices. A bug bounty program for finding vulnerabilities in listed devices. A guarantee that listed devices are immune to all cyber attacks. The AWS Partner Device Catalog provides information on the security features and certifications of listed devices, helping customers understand the security capabilities of each device and make informed decisions based on their security requirements. How does the AWS Partner Device Catalog facilitate the implementation of a hybrid IoT architecture? By requiring all listed devices to store data locally without any cloud interaction. By offering devices that operate exclusively in the cloud without any local processing capabilities. By listing devices capable of both local data processing and cloud connectivity, supporting edge-to-cloud solutions. By providing a separate catalog for on-premises devices that are incompatible with cloud services. The AWS Partner Device Catalog facilitates hybrid IoT architectures by listing devices capable of both local data processing and cloud connectivity. These devices support edge-to-cloud solutions, allowing data to be processed locally when needed for low-latency applications while also enabling cloud-based analytics and storage for broader insights and long-term data management. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.